By utilizing the resources on the moon
to manufacture man-made materials, a moon base could be built for man to learn how to live on something other than the Earth.
To develop hardware to explore other planets.
To mine minerals and send energy to Earth.
And perform experiments.
Silica is abundant on the moon, 45.4%, and could be used to make glass and aerogel.
Aerogel is the lightest man-made solid.
It is highly insulating yet extremely light.
It has high compression strength and becomes nearly transparent when formed in microgravity.
A moon base could be built using aerogel sandwiched in between two layers of glass for high insulating windows, which would help keep the temperature stable inside the moon base even during the lunar night.
The alumina could be made into aluminum and the titanium dioxide into titanium.
Both of these minerals could be used as part of the structure with aerogel inside of the walls.
Setting up a manufacturing system on the moon to make solar cells, which are made out of silica, and using microwaves to beam back energy to the Earth could solve our energy crisis.
I believe that we should go to the moon because of the benefits of the easy access to the light, so we could easily get solar cells, and then we could also, there's quite a bit of materials up there that we could use to create computer chips, for example. And it also has 1/6 of our gravity, so we could do experiments that we cannot do here on Earth.
Wouldn't we get the same amount of sun out in outer space just with an actual satellite rather than why do we have to go on the moon?
Mostly because of the fact that it's easier to build. If anything, we could use the moon as a launching point for those satellites, because the energy that it takes to get a satellite from Earth orbit or into Earth orbit is tremendous.
So the gravity is smaller, so it'd be easier.
And it also has no atmosphere. Or next to no
Isn't
atmosphere.
it just as hard? Isn't it harder to get to the moon because it has to go through the atmosphere, through the orbit to the moon?
Once you get to the moon, you could have a moon base that can launch them off. Because you could effectively have built a factory on the moon, and then that could build the rocket parts and
then
such.
we could go to another planet like Mars.
Why go to Mars?
Why not?
Because we don't know what
Go to
materials
Pluto.
it has there. Okay, we could go to Pluto then.
Pluto is technically not a planet anymore.
I don't care what people say. Pluto's always a planet.
It's a dwarf planet.
It's still a planet.
It's a planetoid.